Everyone, welcome to my channel. So today is going to be a topic about my journey in the content creations. So let's get started. So 7 months ago, I started my content creation journey because I was eventually got laid off from the work, and it's something was going on with the finance, and they laid off people and teams. So then I thought this is my sign to, like, give a content creation a chance, because I always love to be on the camera. Because when I was a kid, so I was the one who was the quietest in the room, never talked about anything, and I was the one, like, couldn't express myself and my emotions. So, and I used to be quite jealous from the people who could do, and I was like, okay, everyone is doing, why can't I do? So, like, that was the stage when I thought, being on the camera is what I love, and I fully express myself on face, not on face but on the camera. So yes, so the why of starting the content creation journey is this. Secondly, I would bifurcate this journey into 4 phases. I would like to name the first phase as a happy one. So where you leave the fullest on of the content creation, like you love to make content each and every day, you just feel the real magic, and you are like, okay, experimenting, figuring out which videos are going well, and you are just constantly getting those validation, comment, and support. Happy stage is where you feel the most like, okay, content creation would be the best decision I could take. So yes, that is the happy phase. When you feel like everyone is giving you attention, support, then you feel like, okay, this is going to be good and eventually get better. Then second phase is the real one, where like the brands and people start noticing you. You get DMs, and brand starts reaching you. You reach to brand, and the pitching phase start. So this is when you like be most confident, like, okay, brands are coming to me and I'm quite making videos, and I will start earning little bit. So that is the happy stage to the attention stage. uh, like brands will give you some making videos on the barter. Like, some brands could do paid as well, but most of the brands do the barter one, which is like a little unfair for the creator, because a creator doesn't get anything in this. It's just the brand who's getting everything, and you are just getting those products and nothing else. So in that, you will be like, okay, fine, it is my starting stage, I am a nano creator, then it's fine that I'm getting at least brands. So you feel happy. So after, even after giving all those things, like, pitching brands are coming to you, but everyone is like more on the barter side and not on the paid side. So you just feel a little bit down, that अगर मैं इतना कुछ कर रही हूँ, तो why I'm not getting the thing that I just really want. Okay, so everyone have that mindset कि content creation is like कि इसमें तो बहुत पैसा मिलेगा भाई. It is where people are in the false trap ki content creation is a journey where you, like, get money and money. It's not like that, because it is way more harder. First thing is showing up on the camera is the most difficult part, which people think कि क्या है, सिर्फ प्रोडक्ट लेके दो 2 मिनट का बोल के तो क्या ही हो जाएगा. बट if you like face the thing of the creator side. They are scripting, editing, thinking about your brand and the tone, and making something that is profitable for your brand and the product, and making all of this just for the barter. It little bit, it feels uh, like demotivating. Then, okay, being a nano creator, I remember how I used to feel excited every morning to shoot a brand video, and like I was just searching for the sunlight है, मैं बस भागती हूँ and just take a video, the aesthetic one, and just give to the brand that like eventually on the stage I'll get more brands and more opportunities. For that context, I thought just make videos for the brands and stuff. So I'm not the one who got a lot of experience into content creation. I'm just starting and it's just been a 7 months. But I have learned so, not even learned, but I have just been in the phase that I have got to know ki like how a creator feels. It is tough. Content creation, it is a tough thing. It's a tough game and a long game. Like if you are just about to give up all the thing and think like you are just being king and the process of making and love to create videos, then this is for you. Things go slow. Third stage, I would say, like a slow down phase where everything goes very slow. Like algorithm stops favoring you. You try different things, like different stuff, different hook, different trending formats, themes, and a lot of different things. Like if you are doing a brand storytelling, or then making another video like a creative concept, or making a third video that is cinematic or something related to that, or fourth one maybe could be about the reviews or something. Every damn thing if you try and nothing just stick with you, the stage when you completely drain yourself, where like nothing stick with you, not like the algorithm way, but even you got that major creative block, or maybe a junk you say. It's so big, and I can't just express, but it is very difficult. Like nothing nothing works out. So I am trying to do this content creation on three platforms, like on LinkedIn, Instagram, and YouTube. So on LinkedIn I do because I get some freelance gig or something like that, because obviously financially तो कुछ देखना पड़ेगा ना, पैसे तो चाहिए. So for that I create something for the LinkedIn, and then I jump on the YouTube, and then I jump on the Instagram. And I can say that every platform needs something different. Think about creating three content, concept, format, theme, and everything about content, and it should be present in a way that it should be you, basically, because that is the game right now. क्योंकि अगर तुम खुद को नहीं बता रहे हो कि तुम क्या हो, and you can't express yourself, then content creation right now it is very difficult, because everyone is damn creative, damn it is on the peak level. Because पहले it was very chill, like कुछ भी वीडियो बना दो वायरल हो जाएगा. Now this stage is not easy, where people are being so creative, being very like fluently making content, that you feel like you are doing nothing, and you start questioning yourself on this stage. Because I know that since this 7 months I have tried different things on different platforms. Like LinkedIn is very good, like it favors you somewhere. So I have around 2400 followers on LinkedIn, and there also I am being consistent. On YouTube I am consistent a lot of video and started it consistently. So YouTube is also like little bit a better side, but Instagram is way more difficult. It is like everyone is jumping on there, and it's a new rat race where everyone is like कि content creation में तो भाई पैसा ही पैसा है, चलो 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 ऐसे. It's like it's very much. So this stage is a little tough. Like first two stage is the jolly one, and the third stage is where reality start hitting. Sorry, I have to continue. Now we are in the last stage, the fourth stage. I would name this as a U stage. So in the damn phase where you have to decide whether you have to go with this for your whole life. If you think that even showing up can be better, if you think like you can do this for whole life or whole damn thing, and just to make this is very honest stage, okay, all your experience figuring out already it is been done, and you got to know that even silence teach you a lot of things. So in this one you have to just make your mind that you have to continue this or not. Like in this you have to decide whether you love being on camera, being on the content creation for the longer game or not, because this is when you decide, and this starts everything. So I to feel like I am on the third and the fourth stage, because already I have done a lot of things and I have showed up a lot of times, and nothing is working out right now. But I have that no leap of faith that it will work out. So I am in this journey, and I know that this is a long game and I have to be in this consistently. And yes, I will do this thing and I will show up regularly. But yes, this is very like overwhelming stage, making like videos every day, and like doing everything, and even that feels like कि भाई कुछ भी नहीं हो रहा है, and nothing is like working in your favor. Algorithm just it's being your enemy, biggest enemy. Okay, so this is the you stage basically, there when the thing is just you have to decide whether you have to continue or not. I don't know like what is going to be next. I'm still figuring out even after 7 months, because people do this for years and years, and then they share their learnings and thoughts. I have shared in the 7 months because I have felt so much and I wanted to pass this thoughts with you guys, because everyone want to somewhere start this content journey, because in the jobs AI are just replacing people, and there is a lot of thing going in the job market as well. So people are like jumping in the content, because the thing is like लोगों को लगता है कि सिर्फ फेस ही करना है कैमरा को और सिर्फ बोलना है, but it's the real thing. Like it is very difficult to show up on camera. So I know this will going to be work in my favor. I'll work out on this. It is a long term game, and I just hope that this goes well, and I won't give up. I will still try to continue this stage. Some people are very lucky in terms of this. Like some I have seen creators that reach that stage where they can be paid even in the 6 months. But it was not easy for me, and it is not the same for everyone. It is different for people. It just caters from different people to different people. It just jumps. Luck is not with every people. So yes, I'll still show up, like the way I am showing up since 7 months. I just hope this work. Somewhere I have heard this quote that your decision decides destiny. This quote got stuck with me, and I hope you guys be like, think about this quote and get this motivation of creating. If you have been till here in my journey, thank you so much for being a part of this. And I hope everyone who is just starting, just wish like every people get whatever they achieve and get their dreams fulfilled. If you have not figured it out, sometimes the journey figures it out, your life, so it's okay. Sometimes being slow is also good. I'm saying this because I could, like, give motivation for my own self.